Bro, that's crazy. I'm a clown on some insane shit. Oh God. This is OD hard. This shit turn everybody breaking their neck. Look at Brad trying to record you hoes. Yeah, y'all, but oh my Jesus. Then we got this G8. Got this vet right here. Oh my Jesus, what the fuck? YouTube, what the fuck going on? It's your boy Stopper coming back in with another banger video. I know y'all hear this G8 chopping like a motherfucker, but you already know it's your boy Stopper coming back in with another banger video. Y'all already know I'm on my consistent shit. Got Twin in it, bit with me on some cool shit. Finna get ready to go to the little car meet on shit. We got hella G8s supposed to be pulling up on some shit. We got the white one next to me. Got me. A red one finna pull up, a gray one gonna pull up, and I think a black one gonna pull up, and another black one gonna pull up. So we got hella G8s pulling up for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a crazy lit video. Supposed to be going to this meet, going crazy and shit like that, but I ain't finna do too much talking because I know y'all boys ready for the action, so we just gonna get straight into that shit. Oh my Jesus. Then we got this G8. Got this vet right here. What's going on, bro? Yeah, both the G8 side by side. Some smooth shit, but as y'all can tell, man, this lineup looking already crazy. And that's just two G8s, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even got the other G8s out here yet. I ain't gonna count, this nigga shit hard. What y'all think? Should I get them headlights or should I get the other headlights? I don't know which ones I'm gonna get yet, but man, y'all looking at this view, boy. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. That's it right there. Now we just waiting on Flacco and shit like that to pull up. And when that nigga pull up, we're gonna have another G8. And yeah, we finna have all the 8s out. So y'all boys just stay tuned for that. YouTube, we got them G8s out. This one got them big F's on that bitch. Oh shit, they don't need a spinny cap. I'm over here trying to spin that bitch. I'm trim. No, that bitch go crazy though. My boy Flacco shit.
Oh, the other
We got the other G8. This G8 hard. Oh God. How y'all feel about the tandems? Tandems go crazy on the G8. Oh God, this nigga snap overly. But yeah, I gotta get my goddamn picture. Y'all already know how that go. But yeah, got them G8s outside. This motherfucker hard. 4Gs on this one. And y'all know you got me right here. Then we got the other G8. This one Cam right here. You close my hood, twin. Then we got that year 08.
You got the 08. You got the little sensor. You got the
Oh hell no. Let's show we not riding behind that.
Got them G8s running, y'all. No wrestling. Flacco. Oh my Jesus, what the fuck? That bitch beating the block down. You record for me, twin. We just pulled up to the meet. Y'all know how that go. This bit deep as I don't know what, y'all. And you know we pulling up all them G8s, breaking everybody neck. The real ones.
Look at that Q50. Oh my God. Oh.
Little bro fucking with this bit.
That shit make it look like it ain't even no tent on here. I don't know. Yeah. 4G's on that motherfucker.
Got the one with 10 that's pulling up. All the 8s pulling up out this bit. Got the white one right there that's chopping out the ass. Finna get out and record for y'all, boy. Oh, God. No, we got them bitches outside. But this hella goddamn website this bitch, y'all. You know, we pulled up G8s back to back. We really just shut this bitch down on some crazy shit when everybody breaking their neck. Look at Brad trying to record these hoes. He fuck with these motherfuckers, check him out. Hell yeah, y'all, but goddamn me and Flacco playing that right here. Niggas going crazy. They be deep as hell. Shawty out there, we don't know what the hell her ass got going on. Tripping. It's bad. Got the Lexus pulling out this motherfucker. Got a whole crew of goddamn bikes right there and shit like that. Damn beam out this bitch. Oh shit, I'm finna get ran over and shit. Trump. Ben's clean. The G back there. That bit like K-Shine. Well, K-Shine need to take some damn notes on that bitch. Nigga pulled up with them bitches. This beam hard. Oh God, man, another beam over there. This beam go crazy. Shit, oh God, crazy ass color shit. Oh shit, my bad, son. GTR ski. Nigga going crazy out this bitch. Oh shit, my dog got this bitch. I ain't even know my nigga was here. Show y'all, boy. This bitch OD hard. Now what the fuck? Twin windshield got cracked. Got the Chargers back there. Yeah, twin snapped on them motherfuckers.